So now I'm going to show you how to simply cut strips of fabric and turn those also easily into squares. I have half a metre of fabric here, which if I fold it in half, fits beautifully on this board. It gives me a straight edge to work from because I've got a fold here, but in fact this edge is quite jagged. Safety catch off, even pressure, down and away, all the way up to the top. And there's my spare bit of fabric. And what I'm going to do now is move the piece of fabric that I want, not the main piece of fabric, because I want to do lots of strips. But here I've got a strip of fabric, 44 inches long, 2.5 inches wide, perfectly accurate.